That's why you're doing well so far. Is you're pretty much in the two sectors that are going up right now. Everything else is pretty much down. Now that could change. When they do these news things later on, there could be news that they might put out that would change that. They might say that, for example, there's been an explosion at a utility plant or something like that, and you can see utility stocks go down.
So will we need to sell then, or?
Yeah, then you'd want to make a rush to one of the traders and maybe trade on that news. Okay. All right, but so far so good.
This is the Junior Achievement Investor Challenge. This is the student version. We've used it before as a fundraiser for corporate attendance, but today is, I think, the 5th year that we've done this. It's grown every year. This year there's about 40 schools involved over 3.5 days. This particular session has about 25 teams, 4-man teams. They come in from the high schools and they buy and sell stocks. These are fictitious, obviously fictitious stocks. We give them $500,000 to work with, and during the game they buy and sell in an effort to try to be the champion. They were all given beforehand a list of the stocks and a little information about each stock, and they made a choice how much they had in cash and how much they wanted to invest. And then as the game goes along, there's a break every 20 days, which takes about 20 minutes, and then they're able to kind of catch their breath and reformulate their strategy in an attempt to grow their portfolio of stocks. At the end, we award prizes for first, second, and third. There's a nice team trophy to take back to their particular school. It's gotten to be a bigger event every year, and I think the students really enjoy it.
Financial system. We don't have any financial. We need to get rid of financial if that's the case.
Because we got rid of all our bank shares.
Okay, that's good.
So we have no bank shares. We still got Idabel.
I think 80 million people own stocks in the United States today, and so that's a big segment of our population. And the earlier they understand a little bit about the workings of the stock market, about saving and investing, I think we do them a service. Each of the teams has a mentor from the business world that comes and works with them and gives them a little advice on what to buy and sell. But you hope today that they at least get exposed to the way the stock market works, and that they'll be fairly familiar when they go to buy stocks in a mutual fund or they invest through their 401k at work someday. I mean, the game is not super complicated, but it's a lot of fun.
Sell all of EIC.
No, I can't. No, there or the guys in the orange.
Second place, they came out of nowhere. Oh my goodness. The funny that these are.